So this is what is we have designed till now. This is the basic model, okay? So there are 4 motors connected. So you can see these are called gear motors. Okay, these motors are called gear motors. Okay. Now there are positive, negative. So you can connect positive with the positive terminal of battery and negative with the negative terminal of battery. Okay. But if you reverse that connection, suppose if you connect the positive with the negative, okay, then what will happen? The direction of rotation will also reverse. So suppose positive is connected to positive, negative is connected to negative. Okay, so suppose it is moving in the forward direction. Now if you reverse it, positive connect with negative means ground and negative connect with positive, then what will happen? It will retrieve. Okay, now this is the basic model. So what we have done, we have connected these motors and wheels, and I have taken a source of, this is a LiPo battery. Okay, so it will give an output of 5 volt right now, and it is a chargeable battery. Okay, so I will show you what is happening now. So circuit diagram, you can see it. So what is our project basically? I will tell you the detail of this project. Now see, if we connect this thing, see what is happening? It is moving in the forward direction. See, I have marked an arrow here. Okay, so this arrow indicates what? This is the forward direction. Okay. Now if we change it, now it is, the rotation is like this. Okay. Now if we change this connectivity, so how to change it? Let us do one thing. I will not disconnect this. I will simply reverse this. Okay. Connect with this and connect with this. See what will happen. Okay, this is with negative now, and this has to be connected with the positive. Okay. Now just hold it like this. Don't worry, nothing will happen. There is no charge. Only 5 volt. Hold it firmly. Okay. So earlier it was connected like this. No?
I'm holding now.
Okay. So now what is happening? I have just reversed the terminal. Now it is moving backward, correct? So now, in order to, now there are many things here that there are many things that you have to do. So now you understood that if the positive negative is reversed, then the direction of motor, the direction of rotation of this motor will also change. Okay, this is the first step. So the question is this: how we can use this? Okay, and what are the add-on that we can make? Number one, right now, if you directly connect, all these devices are without any programming. Okay, there is no programming involved. You cannot control the direction of rotation of this wheel through program. Okay, there is no intelligence built on this device. Okay, second is we cannot control the speed of this. So in order to control the speed of this, there is another device. This device we have to connect. So I'll tell you more about it. Okay, these devices will help us to control the speed of the motor and reverse the direction. Okay, so we'll connect it one by one. And second, if you want to do the programming, like this our device, while going forward, if it senses an object, suppose it will turn back and change its direction of movement. Okay, then you need a Arduino, correct? So then we have to connect this processor with this. Okay, so how this device, what is the purpose of our project? So this is the basic platform that we have made. Wheels are moving. This is a positive sign. The connections are made successfully. Then second part is this: we'll connect this speed controller and direction controller with this. Then third is we'll do the programming with the help of this Arduino Uno. Okay, and we'll add some intelligence like Bluetooth control. Then we'll add something like object avoidance automatically. Okay, if we keep it, and if we give some mopper, okay, it can clean up your floor also. So all those intelligence. Then suppose your room size is different, okay, there is another technology called LiDAR. So it stores the entire map, length, width, okay, of your room. And then if you live in that floor, then it will clean up that floor, okay. So you can make certain intelligence on this device, that it can remember also your room size, your floor size, that has to be cleaned up. So in two purpose you can use. First of all, you can clean up the dry part of it, okay, and then you can mop it. So one by one we'll build all this intelligence to this platform, correct? So that's all for today.